it's make-believe. Maybe it can be true. I try to tell myself I'm not in love with you. I thought that I knew everything. Guess I don't know anything. Yeah, I get emotional and hypothetical, wondering if there are all kinds of things I'm not supposed to know. I try my best to let it go. Baby, then you bring me back, bring me back. You leave my feet off of the ground, keep me spinning around and around. I don't ever wanna come down from your heart. You tell me that you need me, then you walk away, keep promising forever. What the words you say is true. Don't know what I'm supposed to do. I'm stuck in the middle with you. Boy, you got me really confused. Don't know what I'm supposed to do. I'm stuck in the middle with you. You were the spark, light in the dark, giving my everything, pulling me in, pushing me out, pulling me back again. Don't know if your mind is made up, but I know that nobody wanna be stuck. You are the one that I want, all I can promise you now is my love. You say you want me, you say you care. When we're together, are you even there? Give me the keys to your heart, made me believe from the start. Now what I know is I got all this LOVE. You leave my feet off of the ground, keep me spinning around and around. I don't even